Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A.MaRee, and today I am coming to you with another video, of course. And today we're talking all about Sigma. So Sigma, as you know, has sent me a PR package. It's kind of like a welcome kit, and they sent me a lot of freaking products and a crap ton of brushes, and I wanted to go ahead and give a full video due to Sigma and show them my appreciation. And I came up with this gorgeous fall look. Now this palette, the Warm Neutrals Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, you guys, is right up my alley. Like, oh my god, I am absolutely loving these colors, and I knew it right when I opened the palette in my unboxing. I knew I would love these. You hear me? These colors, these golds, these reds, the burgundy shades is just right up your girl's alley, and I couldn't wait to dip off into it. Now they did give me this gel eyeliner, you guys. Instead of me using it for a actual eyeliner, which you could tell I have no eyeliner on today, that is the second one for the books, okay? Because you know your girl always is rocking a wing liner. But I use this gel liner for my eyebrows today, and I have absolutely been loving the way that gel liner is called Wicked Black, and I just love how smooth it goes on and how much it sticks, like, you guys, look. So I am absolutely loving this look, and I did test out some of the brushes as well. The only brush I didn't use was the wide shader brush, and where is it, wing liner brush. That is the only two brushes I did not use that Sigma gave me. But I've already used this brush, the wing liner brush, and I am dying to try the wide shader brush, and that will be in a whole nother video. Now you guys, I did do this look with my Sigma brushes and a few other brushes, but I did also receive a Sigma solid makeup brush cleanser. So of course you guys will be getting another video on how I clean my Sigma brushes with that cleansing matte. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this nice fall look, and I don't have no lip combinations from Sigma. I used my two Wet n Wild liquid cat suits. This one is my all-time favorite, the Goth Topic, and I did bust out this metallic one. It's called Ride on My Copper. I just mixed these two together and got the same burgundy shade from the Sigma colors. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this beautiful look, then just keep watching. And before we go any further, I need you to do me just a few favors. One, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become a part of the family. Like, you really like to just watch and not become a part of the family? Favor number two is to click the notification bell as well. Is right there on the side of the subscribe button. And favor number three, comment down below how you think I've done on this look, and let me know if you guys would like any more videos due to Sigma. And my last and final favor, hashtag Sigma and like this video if you enjoyed. You are very much appreciated. I thank y'all so much for coming by. Now let's get into this tutorial.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family.